Hello there. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to use LDC's online database migrator utility to migrate data from a Domino database into LDC Via. The first time that you do this, you're going to have to do a couple of changes to your Domino server. First, we assume that the Domino server is going to be internet facing. If it's not, then you're going to want to use our Java desktop migration utility, which we also have another video for you to learn how to use if you just go to the website to view this. But we're going to assume that your server is internet facing, and we're going to just configure it to allow the Domino access services to run on the server. To do this, you're going to want to switch into Domino Administrator for the server that you want to configure. So in this case, my server is called Surface/FCL. You go to the Internet Sites section, locate the internet site that you want to work with, and then go to the Configuration section. At the bottom of the Configuration tab, we've got Domino Access Services, Enabled Services, and we want to choose Data from the pop-up list. Save and close that, and you'll need to restart your HTTP server. Once you've done that, you're going to need to enable Domino Access Services for each database and view that you want to expose to the internet. So in this case, we're going to migrate a document library database. So we go to the database properties, and then we go to the Beanie Hat tab, the last tab on the properties. And right at the bottom, you've got Allow Domino Data Service. Note that IBM do not have standard naming for this, so sometimes it's called Domino Access Services and sometimes it's Domino Data Service. It's the same thing. We're going to change this to use View and Documents, and now we need to switch into Domino Designer and locate the view that we want to use to do the migration. So in our case, we're using the document library database and we're going to use the All Documents view. If you want to migrate a subset of documents, the best way of doing this is by using a view that has a selection formula. So we open the view, we go to the view properties, and we choose the Beanie Hat tab again, and then we allow Domino Data Service operations. Once that view is saved, we're going to switch into our web browser and load the database migrator page. In here, we're going to type the URL to get to the Domino database. Then you want to enter the username and password of an account that can see all of the documents in the database, or at least all of the documents that want to get migrated. We agree to the license terms, click Get Views, and we have gone now and got a list of all of the views in the Domino database. We can find the All Documents view that we have enabled for Domino Data Services, and we can click that, and the migration is complete. We get presented with the Database Viewer button, and we can find the database that has been migrated. It's been identified as being a document library. We can open it up, and we can see all of the documents have been migrated. In future videos, we're going to look at enabling document security on a database that has been migrated.